Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your acting school business. Suppose as the owner of acting school business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to answer common question about class schedule, fees and audition requirement. We can automate this process with the help of Pably Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user sent a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pably Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your acting school business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pably Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want to book a free demo. After typing, you'll see I am getting a response. Hello and welcome to Stage Spark Academy where actors are born. How can I help you today? View class schedule, know the fees, book a free demo. Now, simply I'm click on book a free demo. You will see I am getting a response. Awesome. Let's book your free session. What's your name? Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, you'll see I'm getting a response. Thanks test user. What course are you interested in? Beginner, camera acting, theater. Now I am typing camera acting. After typing, you'll see I'm getting a response. When would you like to attend the demo? Now I am typing date and time. 25 May 2025. Time 10 AM. After typing date and time, you'll see I am getting a response. Great, your demo is booked. Name, test user, course, camera acting, time 25 May 2025, 10 AM. Now we have an confirm button. Simply click on it. After clicking confirm button, we are getting our last message. Well, confirm your slot. Shortly, get ready to shine on stage. So you will see we are getting the responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section which we have received on WhatsApp. Now if you also want to create the similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pably.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pably Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pably Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have Contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows, we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pably Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chat flow. Simply click on flows, and we want to create our new chat flow. Click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our WhatsApp chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your acting school business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords hello, hey, and so on. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. If the user type anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we take text button and simply write a message. Hello and welcome to Stage Spark Academy, where actors are born. How can I help you today? Now we also add buttons. View class schedule. Know the fees. Book a free demo. Now we connect the flow. If user press view class schedule button, then we will send our message, our upcoming batches. If user press know the fees button, then we will send our message, courses fees. If user press book a free demo, then we will send our message, awesome, let's book your free session. What's your name? Now we also select contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format. Now connect the book a free demo button to this question box. Now, if you also want to know how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now, if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here, I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a course from user. Thanks, $full name. What course are you interested in? Now select the contact custom field, demo. Also select the format, that is text format. Now connect this question box to this box and now save the flow. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date and time from user. When would you like to attend the demo? Now select the format, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format, and connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Great, your demo is booked. Name, course, date and time. Now in this box we also add confirm button. Now connect the question box to this message box. If user press confirm button, then we will send our last message. Well, confirm your slot shortly. Get ready to shine on a stage and save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard. Now I am typing book a free demo. You will see I am getting a response. Hello and welcome to Stage Spark Academy, where actors are born. How can I help you today? View class schedule, know the fees, book a free demo. Simply click on view class schedule, know the fees. So you will see we are getting the responses. Now we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chat Flow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.